Okay, I'm Corey, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how to send or pay a DID using Beignet, or specifically the Web5 Demo branch of Beignet. So in the terminal on the upper right here, in the left tab, I have Alice, who is already up and running with a wallet with 50 testnet Satoshis. And in the right, we have Bob, who is not set up yet, but we're going to go ahead and run through the process of setting up Bob. So to actually go ahead and start this demo, we'll go ahead and git clone the Beignet library. We'll go ahead and cd into Beignet there, and then we're going to go ahead and check out the Web5 demo version there. So let's go ahead and get that started. Great. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and line this up a little bit so it's kind of easier to see both ends here on the screen. And then we're going to navigate back to that terminal there, and we're going to go ahead and run npm I, and we're just going to go ahead and run build here. So let's go ahead and get that set up. And once that's done, we're going to navigate over to the example folder here, and I'm going to go into index, and let's just set Bob up. So I already generated a mnemonic over here on the left side. This is Alice's. I'm just going to go ahead and copy that mnemonic from Alice, I'm going to copy the mnemonic that I had already generated and put it in here for Bob. This is unused. There we go. And I'm going to switch him over to testnet here instead of mainnet. So basically, again, on the left side we have Alice. You'll see that this is her mnemonic. On the right side we have Bob. This is his mnemonic. Both are set up for testnet, so I believe we're okay there. Now let's go ahead and start Bob up. So I'm going to hit npm run example. It's going to go ahead and use this mnemonic and spin up a wallet for me. So you'll see that it's syncing, it's connected to the Electrum servers, and great. It also spits out our DID here, so it generates that for us and saves it for us kind of when we start up the wallet. You'll see it already calculates what our balance is, and since this is a new wallet, we have 0. And it will give us our first address, which is that here. So I don't have any funds. Let's go ahead and demonstrate receiving funds to this DID. I can actually, so this is, when you spin up the wallet, it's already published. I can actually go ahead and type in await wallet.get DID address. And you'll see that the DID address has already been uploaded, and it's the same one that's presented to us here. Great, so we're all set up. I'm actually going to go ahead and copy Bob's DID here. So this is Bob giving Alice his DID, and Alice is basically going to take that and say await wallet.paydid, and we can basically go ahead and let's put the amount first. We'll do amount 5,000 Satoshis, and then we can just type in DID, and we'll put DID in right there, and all I'll have to do here is hit enter, and you'll see that it goes and spits out a few things for us. The first thing it's going to do, if it's successful, is give you the transaction ID, which is that here. And then you'll see that Beignet is letting us know that we sent the transaction. And then if we actually go ahead and check Bob's end, you'll see that Bob actually, we have a new block, yep, and then we received the transaction here, which is great. It was immediately confirmed, and you'll see that when a new transaction is detected, and a new address is generated, it will go ahead and publish a new DID for us as well. So basically anyone that tries to pay that DID now will pay to this specific address for this wallet. We can actually go ahead and check out that transaction here. There we are, that we used to pay the DID. So we sent, there's our 50,000 sat input from Alice, and then paying 5,000 to Bob, and then her change address there. So yep, that's the basic demo. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, thank you.